Welcome to my Liberty vertical template. Let me give you a brief demo of what this can do. This can work with a variety of different sports because there is a gym layer and there's also a field layer. So for example, if I'm going to go in here and I'm going to open up this, shut my sample subject off, and import a new subject, position him where I think he looks best, size him, just as quick as that, he can fit into there. And then I'm going to change this background. So I'm going to shut off the gym, turn on the field, and we can customize these colors too. So for example, instead of like a grayish background, I can go with something that fits the team more. So we're going to grab the blue, maybe just a little bit lighter, something like that. Looks awesome. Then I can change up the text. So for example, I'm going to type in Rockets, hit enter, size that to the size I want, and change the color of the text. Also edit this. And it can be as simple and easy as that to edit and change this out. And there's also a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll walk you through the steps of editing this a little bit more slowly. One thing to point out before we go is that this background here, we've used it for baseball, but it just as easily fits football, soccer, or any other sport played in an arena. Hope you love the template.